Hi there, you guys. So I don't normally come on and talk about the products I'm going to use before I use them, but MK and I have conspired to bring you a new collab called Kit Conspiracy. So each week in the month of April, we are going to kit up some papers and then we are going to use them. We can use whatever embellishments we want. We can pull in scraps from our scrap bin and we can pull in cardstock. We can't pull in any other patterned paper, and we are both using the identical kit. So it'll be really interesting to see what she does differently than what I do, and vice versa, because as you probably know, we have extremely different styles. So for our first week, we have pulled in a bunch of Vicki Boutin stuff. And so I wanted to show you what I'm starting with. I'm going to bring you at least 3 layouts out of this kit, possibly more, because I feel like I could probably get more than 3 layouts out of here, but you never know once you start cutting into things and layering things up. But since I can pull from my scrap bin, there's likelihood I will use some layers out of the scraps because I have a lot of scraps. So we are starting off with this paper, which MK just loves this paper, as you all know, that bright pink. No, I'm just kidding. She probably hates this paper, but she probably likes this side. To me, I don't really care. I actually like both sides. This is not really like my favorite color, but I can see it being very useful for layering and such. So this is the Color Study Color Wheel paper. We did pull in a few additional papers. This one is from Coco Vanilla's Happiness. So, which could actually go kind of with that. It's not quite as grungy, but we'll see. It could go with this though very well. These flowers could go really well with this. This is also from Color Study. It's called Palette. Oh, I didn't show you the backside over here. The backside is this beautiful navy blue. Totally useful. Could definitely pair that with just about anything. The back of this one is orange, which could also go with that. The whole idea is they could all kind of mix and match here. Another one from Color Study. This one is called Mood Board. A blue stripe and this bright bold yellow circle. This bright green, I love this green. It's one of my favorites to work with. This one is called Linear. So I will probably use more of this side than the stripes, but you never know. I think we have 2 sheets of this. Yes, we have 2 sheets of this one. It's called Line Drawing. And then the flip side is this awesome blue, which I love this blue. So I do still have actually quite a few, like I still have a huge stack of Vicki Boutin, but we only pulled in the things that we had that were identical. So it'll be interesting to see how we pair these up and what we do with them, since like I said, we have totally different styles. This one is called Inspired. I will probably use the black side because this is my #1 favorite paper in her collection, of any of her collections actually. I love this paper. I could probably get a 25 pack and use every single one, maybe even more than 25. And this one is from Sunkissed, the Sunkissed collection from Coco Vanilla, and it's a rainbow or an ombre green to blue, but it could totally mix and match. So that is what I'm starting with for the first week of April. And we're going to see how many layouts I can do. I have a stack of photos. They are mostly, well, these are actually all from the same event. I don't know if I'll use all of them or not, but they have a lot of bright colors in them. So I thought they would pair well with all of these. It's my daughter and my niece. We did a Girl Scout overnight at the Jungle, which is actually like a kids' play space that has like tubes and balls, ball pits and all that kind of stuff. And the girls stayed in there. It was called a mystery trip. We didn't know actually where we were going or what we were going to be doing. We did several things throughout the day, and this is where we ended up at an overnight. So I thought all of these bright colors went well with Vicki Boutin paper. This is the stack I elected not to use. I used a Post-it just to pull it aside. So I'm hoping to get at least a big portion of these. I may weed through and cut out a few more. We will see. So you will see those as I go throughout the week. We are planning to post on, so we're sharing the kits on Fridays. We are planning to post, oh, candy falling out of my planner. I went to a crop yesterday and that candy came home with me. We're planning to post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday for our 3 videos. You may actually get bonus videos in there. We will see. So I totally forgot to mention that we are going to be using some sketches for our inspiration this week. The other weeks we have different inspiration. We will be doing some scrap lifting. We will have just an like a mood board, and then the final week will be no inspiration. So this is our first one, and here is our second piece for this week. Now I will show these at the beginning of the videos for the day that they are supposed to be going live. And I just wanted to give you kind of a heads up that we do have some inspiration pieces or sketches to work off of for this week. So those are the 3, which we intentionally kind of chose ones with a lot of layering because we knew we had a lot of paper that we'd be able to play with. Hopefully it'll be a lot of fun, and I hope that you enjoy it. So be on the lookout for the first video in our Kit Conspiracy collaboration. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.